Hello everyone, my name is Hugo, I'm co-founder of Blazity, and today I'm gonna talk to you about Next.js, what it is, why you should use it. But before I do it, please consider liking and subscribing. It will make sure that you stay up to date with everything that we have to talk about. Next.js is a React framework that is most known for how good developer experience it provides. It allows us to go about rendering in many different ways, in a very easy way. Whenever we want to go and server-side render some things, whenever we want to have some things render on the client, or whenever we want to actually pre-build our website statically. All of this can be done very easy and pretty much out of the box with Next.js. Thank you for watching this quick summary of what Next.js is and why it's worth using it. Please remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date.